Bears. I'm Veronica.
And I'm Dom.
And we are back with a new video today. And it is actually a contest. It is called the Animal Noise Contest. We are going to pick a bunch of different animals and we're going to make the sound, and whoever can do it best wins. And you guys can also help judge that in the comments below.
Do a bear.
A bear?
What do bears do?
What do bears do? Okay, bears don't make noise. They
definitely make noise.
Let's do a pig.
Right? Or
they squeal when they get hit. They're like,
you sound like a rat. Fox? What does the fox say?
monkey. Let's do the monkey.
Monkey.
God! Jesus!
Chicken.
Okay, ready?
Your voice gets so high. I think we need the walk. We need the walk for this.
Oh God, okay. Elephant. We're doing an elephant.
I don't know how to do an elephant.
I don't either, but I'm gonna try. Oh, that vibrated my lips. How do they do that? You ever see people?
I don't know how they do that.
It's like.
Dolphin.
Wait. That's what they do. Let's do a horse. Rooster? Okay. Roosters are like. Let's do a goat. Okay. Actually, this is a cat. Wait.
Wow. That was good.
A duck.
Oh, that was not a duck.
No, a seagull. Wait, let's do a cow. That was not a cow.
I sound like a bull. Yours is so long. You're like.
Let's do a snake.
I'll do that flute sound, and you have to come out of the thing.
Oh my God! Like, you need to follow me. Frog.
I knew you were gonna say that.
That was a toad.
I don't know what a frog sounds like.
I got the eye of the tiger.
It's the thrill of the fight.
Rising than a lion, I am champion, and you're gonna hear me roar.
I'm singing different songs.
Roar. It's the eye of the tiger. It's the thrill of the fight. Rising up to the challenge of our rivals. Oh, we didn't do a dog. Dog's the last one. That's
A wolf.
We could do that. Let's do a wolf. That's a good one. Let's do a wolf.
Wolf.
All right.
blood soaked.
Last one is a dog.
Even though we just did a wolf.
That's so cute.
Alright, I'm gonna be a big dog.
Oh, that was so cute. Wait, here goes the cat. Our neighbors probably think we're crazy. Okay, so that was our animal sound contest. Tell us who was better at what animals. And if you guys liked it, like, comment, and subscribe, because we like the new subscribers. And we will see you guys Friday.
It is Friday.
Tuesday. We'll see you back on Tuesday.
See ya.